Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something big, a powerful move by India that shook terror camps across the border. Yes, I'm talking about Operation Sindoor, a top-secret mission carried out by our Indian armed forces. Let's break it down in a simple and human-friendly way. In the early hours of Wednesday, India launched Operation Sindoor, targeting 9 major terror bases inside Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. This mission was carried out entirely from Indian soil by our Army, Navy, and Air Force, working together like a dream team. Leading the charge were our deadly Rafale fighter jets. And they weren't alone, they were loaded with some serious firepower. Let's meet the 3 superstars of this mission. First up, the SCALP missile. Think of it as a flying hunter, stealthy, smart, and super accurate. It is a long-range cruise missile that can strike deep into enemy territory from over 250 kilometers away. Its stealth design allows it to fly low and avoid radar, while its precision guidance system ensures accurate hits on hardened targets like bunkers, command centers, and airfields, perfect for silent, deadly attacks. Next, we've got the hammer bomb. It's like a remote-controlled bomb with brains. It can hit targets from 70 kilometers away, even in bad weather or over hilly terrain. Perfect for tough spots. Its ability to avoid jamming makes it reliable in hostile areas. It's also used by India's Rafale and Tejas aircraft to target bunkers and enemy shelters from a safe distance. And finally, the Kamikaze drones. These little machines fly above enemy zones, find their target, and then, boom. They're like flying bombs that think for themselves. Operation Sindoor shows how far India has come in modern warfare: smart, precise, and powerful. A big salute to our Army, Navy, and Air Force for this flawless mission. If you're proud of our forces, hit like, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy and exciting updates on India's defense power.